Hi students, welcome again in new session of programming using programming language C. So today we are going to talk about a new concept that is mostly used in array. So that is called bounds checking and the array overflow. So what is this bounds checking? We know that actually array starts storing a value from the location 0 and it goes up to the given value minus 1. If the n is 5, it goes up to 4. If the n is 6, it goes up to 5, and so on. Now what would happen there if you give the value less than 0 and if you give the value more than n minus 1? So in that case what happens, how to control that? So in that case what happens, array may show undefined behavior. Obviously the memory may get corrupted there, security risk, and it is difficult to get the real output we are expecting. So that is the problem in this area. So whenever we input, we have to be careful that are we entering the value in the given range or not. If the value is in that given range, then it will accept it, otherwise it may show some garbage value. So to control that, what happens, we have to change the programming style. So how to write such type of code? To write, what happens, uh, let's see, we have to use sizer. Bound checking. Let's give the size of array. Let's give the size of array. Suppose it is 100. Let's give the size. Okay, 100. Now let's declare array size and int I. Okay. Let's go for the input. Enter the value of n to be used in array. So scanf and now this n actually it cannot be less than 0, we know that, and this n it cannot be more than 100. So if n is less than 0 or n greater than 100, let's put here printer invalid, and so we have to exit the program. So this exit, it is a function which is to exit the execution. So what we have to do there, if this condition is valid, then it will exit. If it is not valid, then we have to go for input. So printer enter your numbers. Let's use the loop for I equals to 0, I less than equals to, if n is 5, then we have to go to n minus 1, so n minus 1, then I plus plus scanner d, then array I. So we got the input here. Let's copy and paste this part. Numbers are printed by. So next is gets. Let's put gets Konya.h here. So let's save it. Let's run the program and test it whether it is working or not. We have saved in .cpp, so let's change the extension .c rest. So here it's enter the value of n to be used in array. Suppose if we give 101, so that is after 100, so enter, so invalid, so it terminated the program. So this is how we can use the bounce checking in this array. So we can see here invalid and the process exited, means it did not let the code to move forward, so it exited the code. But suppose if we give the between the range, so let's run the program. Suppose that is 5, we can see here the condition became false, so the code is now in this part, code went to this part. So let's give the values, enter your numbers, so 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. We can see here all the numbers are printed here. So this is how we can prevent the overflow of array, we can prevent the crashing of programs and the unnecessary garbage value displaying on the screen if the value goes beyond the index value or the subscript of the array. So this is called bound checking, mostly used in this way. There is no special mechanism in array for this bound checking, so we have to use in this way. It will make the program it makes the programming easier, and the program runs into that indefinite way. Otherwise what happens, this array does not work, and the value we have supplied, it will not work there. I hope you understood about this bound checking array. If you have any confusion, then just let me know by putting in your comment box. If you like the video, then just you can go for this one. So hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Thank you.